All right, we're here in MOA. There's a cool carnival area. Come check it out. Then we got that what's that called? Ferris wheel over there. Cool stuff. Oh, there's even bumper cars over here. The line is just crazy. It's like COVID never existed. No one's social distancing at all. But yeah, lining up to get tickets. I like doing lives here on Facebook because it's better than doing lives on YouTube. But yeah, just wanted to show you a quick glance of this here at MOA, SM by the Bay. Great stuff here. Very beautiful. So much people. Happy Father's Day to everybody. Yeah, peace. I'm out.